Hello friends, and in today's videos, I want to share another lesson with you, 11 principles of effective communication. In my opinion, that I think if you have an effective communication, right, it is very beneficial for your life. You can easily reach your dreams, right, and especially in the short term, you always can gain your desires. So from that, you will feel happy in this life, right, and you will improve your life quality. So that's why I would like to share this lesson with you, and hopefully you like it. Okay, let's start learning with me. 11 principles of effective communication. Firstly, we need to understand the definition. What are the principles of communication? Characteristic communication principles are a system of guiding viewpoints that guide communication activities. The golden rules in communication includes attitudes, gestures, actions, behaviors, and direct the choice of communication methods and means. Where principles of behavioral communication important? Principles of behavioral communication are a set of rules or guidelines on how to communicate and handle situations in communication. These principles are important because they help create an environment of healthy, respectful communication and create understanding and empathy for others. And now, let's learn the important principle of communication and behavior in life. In everyday life, understanding the principles of behavior is very important and will determine the success of a relationship. Let's learn the principles for effective communication in life. Number one, respect others. In communication, respect is an extremely important principle to create a good and long-lasting relationship. Respect in communication regardless of age, gender, level, poverty, religion, or ethnicity. Respect based on truth is expressed through proper behavior between people, not self-interest. People who respect others will be respected by others, and respect in communication will help you form a great personality that many people admire. Therefore, in daily life, people live respectfully and respect each other to bring each other peace and smiles. That is the principle in communication you should know. And number two, put yourself in other people's position. There is a saying, an unintentional word is a dangerous conflict. An angry word can ruin a life, but a well-timed word can reduce tension, and loving words can heal old wounds and bring peace. Therefore, when communicating, put yourself in the other person's position. Curve your tongue 7 times before speaking, so as not to create situations that make both of you uncomfortable and hurt the other person, right? And number three, learn to listen and encourage others to talk about themselves. Listening is the spice of life. Because if there is no listening and understanding in communication, it is like a dish lacking an important spice. Therefore, if you want others to care about you, first learn how to listen and encourage them to talk about their achievements more. It is the only sharing from both sides that will be the connecting thread that creates a lasting and effective relationship in communication. And number four, always smile. There is a proverb, people who do not know how to smile will not know how to open the doors of happiness. Therefore, smiling appears not only as a way to show sympathy to the other person, but also as a tonic that brings great hope in the process of communication and behavior. And number five, ensure credibility in communication. The word trust in communication is the golden rule principles that you cannot ignore. If you want to gain your partner's trust, the most important thing is to keep your promises and always be on the time. Therefore, from ancient times until now, the saying, trust is more precious than gold, refers to one of the 5 virtues a person must have. Therefore, once untrusted is 10,000 times more untrusted. If you break a promise once, it is very difficult to regain the other person's trust in subsequent communication. Remember about this. And number 6, always respect the opinions of others. Respecting the opinions of others means respecting the views and opinions of the other person. If you disagree with their opinion, in this case, you should give your own personal opinion instead of saying, I will prove to you that you are wrong. So why don't you find another solution to make both parties happy instead of saying vulgar words? Therefore, smart people will look at the problem in a mature way and express their own opinion to compare two different views, not a debate between the two. And number 7, use delicate communication words. There is a saying, words don't cost money to buy. Choose your words to please each other, right? In communication, if you know how to behave tactfully and delicately, you will not only make an impression on the other person, but also create a good relationship at work and in life. And number 8, ensure harmony in interest between both parties. In behavioral communication, anyone wants to achieve some benefit for themselves or for the subject they represent. The benefits they aim for can be material like money or can be spiritual benefits. Therefore, this is considered a basic and necessary principle to ensure the maintenance of benefits for both parties. Remember about this. And number 9, build trust in communication. This is an important principle that not only helps build relationship with customers and business partners, but also helps our personal relationship improve significantly. This principle is especially practical for those holding management positions because it is the decisive factor that creates the success or failure of every organization and individual. Because if you live without faith, you will definitely never be able to determine the right direction. Therefore, for those who keep their balance, they must always have a belief in the right direction to lead a group to progress and develop comprehensively. And number 10, build cultural values in communication. This is an important category that you need to understand carefully before entering negotiation with important partners. Cultural communication values are reflected in working style, open attitudes, politeness in communication, and hospitality. And finally, 11, praise properly and promptly. In fact, everyone wants to be praised for their advantages and strengths or recognized for the thing they have done well. When they receive those compliments, they will feel valuable and useful, while also motivating their work process. In communication too, you should delicately discover even the smallest strengths of the other person and give the most sincere and timely compliments. Remember, only give sincere compliments and never give fake compliments. Remember this. Okay, I already showed you 11 principles for the effective communication, and hopefully you can remember and also would like to apply in reality, right? To get benefits in communication. Okay, now to the part I need to explain the meaning of several words for you. For the first words I choose is empathy. Empathy it is now, right? Empathy it is the ability to understand another person's feelings, experience, etc. Okay, so let's see how we use the word empathy. These principles are important because they help create an environment of healthy, respectful communication and create understanding and empathy for others. These principles I want to refer 11 principles I will show to you subsequently. Yeah. For these 11 principles, right, are important because they help you, right, create an environment of healthy, respectful communication, and create understanding and empathy for other people. Because you understand another person's feelings and experience, right? So you do not criticize their behaviors, and you will think it is right in their situation, but perhaps in your situation it is not right? So that's why you need to uh, express your opinion. Yeah, and if you want to change behaviors of your partners, and you should analyze two sides, right? Good side, bad side, and you also social opinion with good side and bad side, and then you discuss with your partners to agree the solution, right? As you and your partners decide finally. And for the next words, I want to explain the meaning for you. The word curve. Curve. It is a verb, right? Curve is mean to form or to massage something form into a curve shape or into a bend shape. Yeah. And let's see how we use the word curve, right? Therefore, when communicating, put yourself in the other person position. Curve your tongue 7 times before speaking. Curve your tongue 7 times before speaking, right? And in here, we need to understand in a set of meaning that you need to think carefully before speaking. Yeah. And for the next words, I want to explain the meaning for you. The word tonic, it is now, right? Tonic, it is a medicine that will makes you feel stronger and healthier. Especially you just take this medicine, right? When you feel tired. Okay, and let's see how we use the word tonic. Therefore, smiles appears not only as a way to show sympathy to other person, but also as a tonic that brings a great hope in the process of communication and behavior. Yeah, so in here, right, illustrates for us to understand about the benefits of showing smiles to other people when you meet, right? Okay, and let's see the next words I want to explain the meaning for you. The word vulgar, it is adjective. Vulgar, you just need to understand simply like this. It means not polite, not pleasant, not well behaved. Yes, just like that. So let's see how we use the word vulgar. So why don't you find another solution to make both parties happy instead of saying vulgar words? So in here, we understand, right? When you discuss with your partners, right? Perhaps your partner's opinion is wrong, but you should not say, I will prove to you that you are wrong. Instead of that, right? You should find the solution to make both parties happy instead of saying vulgar words or instead of saying impolite words, right? Okay, dirty words. And for the final word, I want to explain the meaning for you. The word compliment, yeah. But in a plural, right? You need to add s and you pronounce like this. Compliments, okay. Compliments is mean you good words, yeah, or polite words, right? And good wishes uh, to express the praise and approval of somebody. Yeah, just mean about that. So easy to understand the meaning of the words compliments, right? Okay. So let's see how we use this words. When they receive those compliments, they will feel valuable and useful, while also motivating their work process, right? In fact, everyone wants to be praised for their advantages and strengths or recognized for the thing they have done well, right? So in here, tell us about the reason why people would like to get compliments from other people, right? Because everyone wants to be praised for their advantages and strengths or recognized for the thing they have done well. So when they receive the compliments from you, right? they will feel valuable and useful, while also motivating their work process. So in working, when your staff, right, finish the task on right time and finish well, right? You should give compliments. Yeah, it is very important. And remember, we just give sincere compliments and never give fake compliments, right? First, I cannot last for a long time. Only sincere, right? I can last for a long time. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and hopefully you like it. And see you in next videos in learning English with me. Bye bye.